Hey you guys, I'm wearing this very fashionable face mask from Zen Moon, and we're gonna be talking about them today. I will take it off only because it's easier to talk to you. I love them, and we are going to discuss all about the mask, and then we're gonna talk about their amazing designs. Definitely stick around for that, that's the best part. And then we're going to talk about Zen Moon as a company, what they do, who they are, and all of that good stuff. So, first of all, you guys, these face masks are made of a really soft, slightly stretchy cotton. It's lightweight, breathable, and just like really soft on your face. They have pouches on the inside. Oh my goodness, I already got makeup on this one. Good thing they are washable. So, pouch on the inside to put your filter that they come with a few disposable filters for you. Stretchy ear straps, which we all know are totally imperative, gotta have those. These are really comfortable, well-made, well-constructed mask, and they come in this cool like a Ziploc bag thing. Each mask will come like this. I'm really loving this, and just one of those things that kind of sets Zen Moon apart and lets you know, like, okay, they really thought of the details. I love having this bag with me. I try to keep an extra mask on me all the time, either in my jacket pocket or in my bag. Just good thing to do. You guys should do it too in case you lose a mask or in case someone around you needs one. It's just a good thing to have on you. So I love that I can keep it in this bag and I don't feel like it's getting all gross or contaminated or anything. I can keep them clean. If I do go out to somewhere where I'm needing to eat or drink, I can slip it in here and it's not like I'm just putting my mask down on the table. So I love that they come in these bags. I've been reusing them for a couple weeks now and they hold up. So that's a cool thing to take advantage of when you guys order. Again, I'm going to put all the links down for you, so make sure you do. So that's just kind of their good, well-made mask. The cool part that sets them apart are their beautiful designs and wonderful color palette. I think this guy is my favorite. I just painted a couple drawers in my house this color. I absolutely love it. You guys, this entire color palette, I'll show you some of them here and I'm gonna put them on screen as well so you can see, but you can tell these are like just beautiful colors. They are earth tones. They're all things that, you know, I think like you would look at in like a makeup palette and be like, oh, that's really flattering. That's the colors that they use for these masks, which just makes sense. They're going to be flattering. They're going to look good. They're going to look good with your clothing. They're going to look good, you know, with your skin tone. They're going to look good on your face. I feel like there's this gap in the mask market. You can either choose to wear kind of a plain, boring, black or white, maybe gray mask, or they have some in the market that are like gold and sequins and flashy, and that's fine. I'm not knocking sequins, but that's not really what you want to wear to the grocery store. Zen Moon, I think, came in and they have this concept of things that are sophisticated and elegant and beautiful, but for everyday wear, and something that's going to be flattering on your face, flattering with your wardrobe, match everything that you have, and just give you a little, like, set you apart a little bit, you know, something to add a little bit of character and style. And speaking of setting you apart, you will notice their beautiful designs on the side that are just really flattering on your face. They give you a pop of personality. This is the peacock one, but you'll notice that they are all very inspired. They're minimal, they are simplistic designs, they're very modern and beautiful, but they are all kind of spiritually inspired. You'll see these celestial designs here with your sun and your moon representing kind of your masculine and feminine energies. There are Fibonacci spirals, mandalas. You'll see they are just a little hint of spiritually designed and inclined designs that, you know, remind you of your breath and your life force, remind you of your connection to the earth, to the galaxy, to everything. And in a time where, you know, we're maybe feeling disconnected, where we're maybe feeling like we have less of that life force in us. This is just a nice way to incorporate that reminder to yourself, maybe that reminder to someone else around you. It's just great to have these inspired designs, a way to show your personality, a way to show something that's important to you, that are also incredibly stylish, incredibly flattering, simple, modern, just a little touch of personality there. I am obsessed with these. I know that you will be too. Zen Moon, you guys, they have crushed their Kickstarter campaign. They are now on In Demand with Indiegogo. Again, gonna put all of those links for you below. This is their first product launch for Zen Moon as a company. These masks are their first one, but I'm sure that they are going to come out with so many more amazing designs and other products that are really functional and beautiful. The great creative minds behind this are Christine and Annette. They have 25 combined years experience in design and marketing and branding. They really know what they're doing, and you can tell in all of the little details, the touches, the bag that it comes in, the elastic adjustable straps on the ears, this color palette that you know is amazing, the just soft stretchy fabric that's going to feel good on your face instead of irritating, these beautiful designs that are just, I love that, just a touch of something simple and beautiful but so powerful and meaningful. They're gonna have so many other things. So their two creatives and their company Zen Moon is going to be something that you wanna follow and you wanna see what they're coming out with next. So definitely do that. I'm gonna leave their links for you. Another great thing about Zen Moon, you guys, is they are committed to donating 10% of their profits to Chicago area nonprofits benefiting underprivileged children. So they also have a purpose and a mission behind their company. It's something that you can feel great about supporting. I know you guys are gonna love these face masks. I love them so much. I get compliments on them literally all the time. How great is that, you guys? Check them out for sure. Leave me a comment below if you do. Like, subscribe, all of that good stuff, you guys. As always, stay safe and stay a little bit safer. Get a mask for yourself, for your friends, for your loved ones, for everyone you know. Keep an extra one on you, like I suggested, to give to someone in need of a mask. Check them out. Zen Moon.